Have you ever wondered how much money you can actually stash away in your Citizens Bank account without raising any eyebrows? I know I have. It's a question that's been bugging me for a while, and I'm here to find out the answer. Citizens Bank is a popular choice for many people, offering a wide range of financial services. But when it comes to deposits, there are some rules and regulations that you need to be aware of. In this video, we'll explore the limits on how much you can deposit at Citizens Bank and why these limits exist. The basics: understanding deposit limits. Before we dive into the specifics, let's clarify what we mean by deposit limits. These limits are restrictions on the amount of money you can deposit into your bank account in a given period. They're designed to help banks monitor their financial health and comply with anti-money laundering laws. Factors affecting deposit limits. Several factors can influence your deposit limits at Citizens Bank, including account type. The type of account you have will determine the maximum amount you can deposit. For example, savings accounts often have lower deposit limits than checking accounts. Account history. If you have a long and positive history with Citizens Bank, you may be eligible for higher deposit limits. Identification. The bank may require you to provide additional identification if you're making large deposits. Bank policies. Citizens Bank may have specific policies regarding deposit limits that vary from time to time. Deposit limits for different account types. Let's break down the deposit limits for some common account types at Citizens Bank. Savings accounts. Savings accounts typically have lower deposit limits than other account types. This is because they're designed for saving, not for frequent transactions. Checking accounts. Checking accounts generally have higher deposit limits as they're used for daily transactions. Money market accounts. Money market accounts often have higher deposit limits than savings accounts, but may be subject to certain restrictions. Certificates of deposit, CDs, have specific deposit limits that vary depending on the term and interest rate. Understanding cash deposit limits. Cash deposits are subject to special regulations. The Bank Secrecy Act requires banks to report cash deposits of $10,000 or more to the IRS. This is to help prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. Tips for making large deposits. If you need to make a large deposit, here are some tips to keep in mind. Plan ahead. Give the bank advance notice of your intention to make a large deposit. Provide documentation. Be prepared to provide supporting documentation, such as invoices or receipts. Consider electronic deposits. Electronic deposits, such as wire transfers or ACH transfers, may be a more convenient option for large sums. The importance of deposit limits. Deposit limits serve an important purpose. They help banks maintain financial stability and comply with regulatory requirements. By understanding and adhering to these limits, you can help ensure a smooth banking experience. So, how much can you deposit at Citizens Bank? The answer depends on several factors, including your account type, account history, and the bank's current policies. While there may be limits in place, these restrictions are designed to protect both you and the bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.